Hello everyone, welcome to 30 Minutes Learning. Today we're going to discuss three questions. That questions are how to handle hashes and how to use 404 or page not found view, and final one, how to handle invalid routes. So these three questions, it's a single answer. We need to use bypass object in manifest.JSON in our OPENUI5 or SAPUI5 projects. Okay, we're going to create a new project in WebIDE and we discuss further. Okay, select that new and project from template, select that SAP UEFI application, then click next, project, hashes and namespace dev, click next, and view name base, click next, finish. Okay, so in this project what we're going to do, so we're going to add 4 views: home, master, detail and error. Okay, in that home view we're going to add 2 buttons, master and detail. If you click this button, it's navigate to master and detail page. This 404 page, if any routes it's failure, that time that 404 it's called. Okay, so finally we're going to test our project. Okay, go to our project and expand that web app folder. Now we have that base view. Click that web app, right click and new, click that SAP UI5 view. We're going to add home, home view it's added. So next we're going to add master, so master, detail and error. Okay, master, then new, detail, finish, and final one, error view. Add error, click next, finish. Okay, so first we're going to edit our base view. Double click here, then remove that shell, it's not needed, we get some extra spaces. Then pages aggregation, it's not needed because we're going to use a route to add that home page for initial routing, so it's not needed. Remove this everything. Then home view, remove that app and pages. I change the title home. In the home we're going to add 2 buttons. Okay, button, text, go to master and press event on master and Ctrl Shift D2, we can duplicate this line. And next button, text, detail, and press event name on detail. Okay, let's save. Then go to master page. So as usually just remove that app and pages aggregation, then change the title to master view. Okay, then detail, remove this app and pages and change the title detail view, then error, so error app and pages remove, then add that message page, so text 404. Okay, so here I add that message page in that 404. Okay, so all view configurations completed. So next we going to configure our routes. Okay, so go to manifest.JSON, inside that SAPUI5 under you go to routing. So in that routing, first remove that clear control aggregation false. Okay, then add that post. So inside we can add Torcut. So our Torcut view error. Okay, error. Then so next step, in that Torcut you see clear control aggregation, remove that view and we need to add aggregation, control aggregation pages. Okay, so just copy these lines and put for next master detail and error. Okay, then we're going to create routes. So initial we need to display that home, so just remove that pattern, name called default and Torcut home. Okay, first we check our application, just run, select that index.html, okay, aggregation working. So we can create another routes. Just copy this top route and here we're going to use master and detail route. So just rename this name and pattern and Torcut. Similarly detail, just copy here and add this detail. So 3 routes we created here, and Torcuts it's already we configure. Then next go to home page controller. Here we need to add 2 functions. Okay, what are the functions we need to add? On master and on detail. So whenever user click that button, it navigate to correspondent page. Okay, So next on detail function. Okay, so we need to route navigate to page. So this dot get owner component dot get router dot nav to and our target name O caps, and finally we need to add that semicolon, our target master. So this target is nothing, it's just we created a route, right? So we need to tell that route name master, and it will target name master, so it will show the master page. So similarly detail. Okay, check detail. Okay, detail. Okay, then we refresh our app. Something issue, so container I removed URL and rerun. So name type error, cannot read the property name or null. Okay, that manifest.JSON. Okay, so we additionally add that one extra comma. I remove and save, refresh again. Okay, now it's working. So now you see this our URL. I'm going to show that URL here. Okay, and click that, go to master page. Why it's not routing? Okay, typo error. Home controller router nav to. Okay, then check again. Okay, click go to master page. So you see it's a top URL, it's changing. You can see this difference. This is home page, so master, after clicking master it navigate to master view. Okay, so if you click go to detail, it changed to detail routing. We have that master and detail routes. You see in our manifest under that target we have that, under the route we have that master and detail route. So master and detail, if you try to access different routes, for example when you copy this URL and paste any different browser, that time unfortunately if you delete some letters or add some letter, that time that page it's not loaded properly. It shows 404, it's a error, or it will not show anything. So instead of showing it's a empty view, we can use that 404 bypass. So in the top we added that bypass, so it's navigate to, if anything it's irrelevant URL it's triggered, that time it's bypass to it's show that target error view. So I just add 2-3 in the top URL and press enter. If you see 404, it's showing here. So this is our page we added in that error view. Okay, so whenever it's a route is filed, that time this page it will trigger. Okay, so our testing is completed. Okay, that's all guys. If you want to tell anything about this video, please write in comments, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and make sure to click bell icon and turn on the notification for my future videos. Thank you, bye.